Okay guys, so you found this video because you're likely searching for a method on how to get Senua's Saga Hellblade 2 for free. And I have managed to do it, guys. This game is brand new out, it's super expensive, and it's available on Xbox or Steam or PC. Now, I've managed to find a method of getting this game for completely free. Hellblade 2 is expensive and it's super fun, but I'm going to show you today how to get it for free. Follow these instructions, guys, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So you need to use your mobile phone, open up the internet. So I'm using my old iPhone here, I'm recording with my new one, but basically this is going to get you a digital game code. So go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video if you need to and copy this web address. Very important you go to the correct website. Now, when you reach this website, you can see, guys, there's probably 100 plus pages. So if you literally scroll down, you can see there's so many pages. You need to look for the Hellblade 2 page. So you can literally just type in Hellblade and it should pop up Senua's Saga Hellblade 2 free game code. So this is going to give you a digital game code that you can redeem either in the Xbox store or your Steam store, and it's going to download a digital copy of the game, pretty much the same as if you purchased it online. So you can see these game codes are limited in number. So it's very important that you follow these steps to unlock your personal game code, because it is one code per person. I've already got mine on Xbox, so I won't be able to show you the full process, but I'll sort of run through these steps. You need to basically click show code. So in this case, this is a free digital copy of Senua's Saga Hellblade 2 for Xbox consoles, and you need to unlock your personal digital game code. Now to do that, you tap this button, and this is going to count up to 100%. So let me just cancel this because I don't want to waste any more codes. I've already got the game. But you're going to see a new page, guys, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. I had to complete a couple of tasks, so I played a couple of these free games and had to play them to a certain level, but they also had like free surveys that you could complete. It's basically just a verification, and once you've done it, guys, your full code will be revealed. So mine turned into some numbers and characters, and I redeemed it in the Xbox store, and it got me the full game of Hellblade 2. So head on over to topdogcodes.com, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. But if you follow all of these instructions on the website, you shouldn't have any issues. So yeah, just search for the Hellblade 2 game. Once you get onto Top Dog Codes, and once you're there, select your platform and then unlock your code. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.